How well can software stack up to a multitude of markets? If you haven't seen the first video that I covered comparing this trading software to other markets, please check it out. And if you haven't already, this one will be going over a multitude of markets and their performance stacked up against the software in the month of December. And if you're looking for an avenue in 2024 that is aside from traditional markets where everyone is typically doing the same exact thing, this might be quite interesting to stay for the whole video to see how well we are doing. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt Jimenez. I'm an entrepreneur that has worked with the greatest minds in finance over the last several years, and I'm here to pour into you guys everything that they poured into me. With inflation running rampant and interest rates where they are today, it is becoming more and more difficult to find the growth on your portfolio that you need in order just to outpace the monetary practices of the Federal Reserve and government. So in this video, I just want to go over a potential alternative to these markets. More importantly, my experience when I compare them side by side. Here's my FX book where I have a 50K account utilizing the software that I'm speaking on. If we just scroll down to the bottom and grab the month of December, we had a gain of 5.99%. So call it 6%. Let's pop over to TradingView to compare this month's performance to the performance of other assets in the month of December. So here we have the S&P500. If I go over to the left corner and grab this measure tool and hover over to the 1st of December to the last of December, that will give us a calculation of how well it did. So this candle close was right here at 4,500, give or take. If we just click it, drop it there and bring it to the end of December. So this is the end of December right here. And from the 1st of December to the 28th, of course, these are traditional markets, so we're closed on holidays. But regardless, we did a 4.16% gain. So we actually beat the S&P 500 for the month of December. Let's go ahead and check gold. Go and grab my measuring tool and pop over to the month of December, which is this candle formation right here before we had that spike to new highs and dumped. Click it here and I bring it to where end of December is. So that puts us at a negative 0.41%. So the software not only beat the S&P 500, but it also beat gold. Now let's compare it to Bitcoin, of course, the best performing asset of all time. Let's see how we stacked up in December. Grab my measuring tool, pop over to December 1st, which was this candle right here. And see the difference when I'm tracking it on Bitcoin, we have the open candle formations on Saturday and Sunday every single day. That is one of the benefits of Bitcoin is it's always going. You're not closed on the weekend. Nothing stops because it's a holiday. So I can actually go all the way to the 31st of December, which was this candle formation right here. And this was the close of it. The month of December, we lost when stacked up in comparison to Bitcoin. Bitcoin did a whopping 8.95%. So it beat us by a couple percent. And last but not least, for those who did not invest anything in the month of December, you were invested by default because you held dollars. Now let's see how well your savings account did when stacked up against the trading software. Let me go ahead and grab my measuring tool and go to December, which is right here. So December 1st, candle close here, and your savings account actually was negative, even though the dollar amount seems the same in comparison to other currencies and how much it could purchase. It went down by 1.78%. So you actually lost if you just had a savings account for the month of December. And I know I said last but not least, but how can I forget the real estate market? So I'm going to go over the Vanguard real estate ETF that helps me track how well the overall real estate market is doing. So let's go ahead and check the month of December. So here's the first. Go ahead and grab that candle close all the way to this candle right here. And we managed to beat the real estate market just by a few points of a percentage. The real estate market saw a gain of 5.73% for the month of December. The software managed to beat 5 of 6 most wanted assets, and that is the S&P, the dollar, Bitcoin is what we lost to, gold we beat, and real estate we beat. Pretty impressive for the month of December. I'm really excited to see how well we could do month to month, but overall how well we do in comparison for all of 2024, as I will be comparing this every single month at the end of the month for you guys to see how well it does. And if if you're interested in the exact software that I'm using, the description has the link for you, and see if it's a good fit for your 2024 portfolio allocation. For me, it's been extremely powerful and has helped me immensely as I'm more and more hands off with trying to be a trader and just allowing my investments to do most of the heavy lifting for me. But regardless, I'll be documenting all of it for you guys to watch alongside, and either you watch me win or you watch me lose, doesn't matter. I'm doing it live for you all. And if you enjoy this content, please leave a like, comment, and or subscribe. It means the world and it makes me want to do this more than I already want to do. Safe trading, my friends. Peace.